What's up, guys? Red Wagon Detailing here. Today we're going to be talking about the one tip that every beginner detailer should know. And the reason that I made this video is because when I first started detailing, I didn't have much money, it didn't have much capital to get equipment, to get chemicals, all that stuff. I had a few $100s maybe. And so everything that I learned came strictly from YouTube. And so I'm looking at all these, detailing YouTubes, and everyone's like, oh, check out my $60,000 detailing van setup, or my, this is which water tank I use, and this is my $500 pressure washer and my generator, and all that stuff kind of overwhelmed me because I was like, how am I supposed to get started if I don't have this equipment? So that's why I made this video, because this right here is what I started my detailing business with. This is maybe a few $100, $400 or $500. I'll make a video explaining everything that I have in this Red Wagon and how much it costs. But for today, I just wanted to bring this out to show you guys that this is what I started with. All of my detailing equipment was put in there. I was going door to door, knocking doors, and getting people to let me wash their cars with strictly this Red Wagon setup. And obviously, as you can see, there's no pressure washer in here. There's no water tank. There's no generator. There's no detailing van hidden in this Red Wagon. It is strictly this Red Wagon that I bought from Walmart. Like I said, I'll do a video explaining where I got everything and how much it costs. But for today, I just wanted to come out here and explain to you guys that when you're first starting your detailing business, all you need is a garden hose and an extension cord. As far as power and water goes, that's all you need. All you need to do is go to Home Depot, get a 50-foot extension cord. I would suggest getting around 75 to 100 feet. I have another one, but just for videoing purposes, you need an extension cord, and you need a garden hose, which is right here. I'll show you guys in a minute. That's all you need. As far as your water setup goes and your power, that's literally everything you need to get started. Low cost. You don't need to worry about a pressure washer to get started. You can wash it with a garden hose. I'll come out with another video explaining how I'm going to wash the car with a garden hose. But like I said, for this video, I wanted to explain to you guys why a garden hose works perfectly well for detailing, and as well as an extension cord. So a lot of people have a fear that they're going to talk to a client, someone's going to say, yeah, you can wash my car. Then you pull up with your garden hose and your extension cord, and I'm like, wait, you have to use my resources? And while that may be true in some circumstances, 9 out of 10 people, 99% of people are going to be completely okay with you using their resources. I will say, as a detailer, I have never had a water tank. I've never had a generator. I've always used the client's resources. No one has ever given me a problem. In fact, most of my clients actually offer those resources before I even ask. So that fear may or may not be irrational. Like I said, there may be 1 or 2 people you might come in contact with that may be like, hey, I don't want you using my water. And that is a bridge that you can cross when you come to it. But like I said, I've never had a client in the history of detailing that has said, no, you cannot use my resources. They never care, especially if you're a young entrepreneur who's out here hustling and just saying, hey man, I'm trying to make some money. And if someone gives you a problem, be like, hey man, I'm so sorry, I didn't know. This is all that I've got to work with right now. I can cut you a discount if you let me use the resources. And they'll say yes. Unless you've got some Oscar the Grouch, every person is going to say yes to you, especially if you're nice and respectful about it. So, like I said, you take your garden hose, and like I said, I'll make a video, but basically you do everything that you would do with a pressure washer, but you're just using a garden hose. And you can go to Home Depot and get a 50-foot, $35.99, $40.99, whatever it is. They're not very expensive. Get a garden hose and get an extension cord, and you're literally set. No need to worry about a $50,000 van because you've got your Red Wagon right here. No need to worry about a generator because you've got your extension cord. No need to worry about a water tank because you've got the city's water. You don't need those resources, and that's what I wanted to explain to you guys. I appreciate you guys for listening to me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the content, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out so much as I'm trying to grow the channel and create more tips and tricks and information to help you guys through your detailing journey. If you want to learn how to start your own detailing business from start to finish, learn money management, learn how to create it from how to wash a car entirely to how to handle your social media, how to market, how to have the business owner mindset, head over to the link in my bio. That'll take you to my online course that's going to take you through everything that you need to know how to create your own mobile detailing car business. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.